Oopsies.
Oopsies. You're okay.
Can you get up?
Mommy.
Yeah, you fell again. I think you're okay.
Oh, okay.
I think you're okay.
You're okay. It wasn't that bad.
It's too slippery out here, huh?
Maybe.
Maybe you shouldn't run so fast. Can you say Happy Easter?
I can't see. Because my leg is glowing.
What are those?
It's made of bubbles.
It's made of bubbles. Wow.
What can I do?
How do you blow bubbles? I don't think you put it in your mouth. Yeah. Emma, do it.
Emma can do it.
Now let her try it, okay? Watch this.
You got it? Blow it. Go like this. Amelia, you want to use this one? This one's easier. Use this one.
Hey, you're wasting it.
Don't waste the bubbles. Blow on it, see?
Woo!
I'll do it. Here, use that. Dip it in there. Try this.
Good job!
Amelia, or do this. And in it.
Woo!
Want to try that?
Look at these huge ones.
I can't do it.
Let's see.